X-Max Craft Magic Dollar Tree Wooden and Cardboard Decorations for a Mindful Holiday. Hello everyone and welcome back to our cozy X-Mix corner. Today we are bringing life to old things, turning wooden pieces, cardboard and Dollar Tree finds into magical X-Mix decoration. We will explore creative ideas that are affordable, meaningful and mindful because the most beautiful X-Mix doesn't come from spending a lot but from creating with heart. So get your glue gun, your crafting spirit, and maybe a cup of hot coffee. Let's create something wonderful together. Xmas is a season of lights, joy, and connection. When we craft decoration ourselves, whether from old wooden boards, cardboard, or simple dollar ornaments, we add personal touch that no store-bought items can replace. Handmade crafts tell stories that little wooden star you made last year, or the cardboard snowflakes your kids painted. Each carries a bit of your heart. It's not just decoration, it's a mindful art. It keeps us grounded, creative, and connected. So, the simple joy of making something beautiful. Let's explore some creative, cheap, and eco friendly ideas using wood, cardboard, and Dollar Tree materials. Wooden X-Max ladder tree. Use an old ladder or make one with scrap wooden pieces, wrap it with garlands, string lights, and small Dollar Tree ornaments. Hang tiny stockings, bells, or stars. It creates a rustic and cozy X-Max feel. Perfect for small spaces. Cardboard X-Max wall tree. Don't have space for a full tree, cut a tree shape from cardboard. Paint it with green or wrap it with jute or burlap. Glue ornaments, ribbon or paper snowflakes. It's lightweight, affordable, and great for kids' rooms or door decorations. If you have small wood slices or piece, drill a tiny hole, tie a jute string, and paint X-Mix icons, stars, trees, or snowmen. These rustic ornaments give your tree that natural handmade charm. Use old boards to make X-Mix squares shine. Paint words like joy, peace, or merry festival, happy festival, family, and name at pine cones, fairy lights, or twine bows for finishing touches. Cut snowflakes, shapes, or cardboard. Wrap them with jute and sprinkle glitter. Hang them on the wall or from your tree. They look soft, rustic, and wintry. All of these ideas cost very little but bring a lot of beauty and mindfulness into your space. You can mix Dollar Tree items with recycled wood or cardboard to create a stunning blend of new and old. Use Dollar Tree ornaments to decorate your wooden X-Mix tree. Add LED lights around wooden planks to make glowing wall art. Glue cardboard, stars or angels on wooden background for 3D designs. Create a centerpiece using Dollar Tree candles placed on a wooden tray decorated with pine cones and ribbons. Take some old wooden piece and make some trees with beadswork and whatever you have, old things, balls, ornaments, buttons, whatever you have, you can make it. And you can create a centerpiece with Dollar Tree items, candles, place, a wooden tray. Combining new and old remind us that creativity has no rules. It's all about reimagine and reusing. Now let's move to one of the most joyful parts, decorating your X-Mix tree. You can make your own ornaments with simple materials. You can take old things, old buttons, ornaments, and many more, whatever you have already have your home. Wooden mini tree